And here comes number 13, Mr. All, coming from the three-point line right now. Oh shit, that nigga's on. He's in the He's tugging out his neck. He gon' be